Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can edit your player number in eFootball. So it's pretty simple. You want to click on game plan at the bottom of your screen, and from over here you need to click on your club's logo at the top left of your screen. From over here you will see the option called edit squad number. Click on it. From inside here, scroll until you see the player whose number you want to change. Let's say I want to change the player's number called G Valerian. I can click on his name. Once I click on his name, it's going to give me this slider. Now I can slide this slider and choose the number which I want. After I choose the number I want, I can click on done and the player's number will be changed. As you guys can see, now this G Valerian's new number is 104. I can click on back and my number will be confirmed. That is how you guys can edit a player's number in eFootball. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide for future eFootball related videos just like this. And if you guys have any question, you can ask me in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, have a nice day. And if you guys have any question, comment down below.